understand. Jeez, fucking hit something else. Yeah, something's there. I think that's just a root. There we go. Damn roots. Yeah, I think I'm getting the idea of what happened here. No foundation. The fact that this is all a hill going downhill. There was some rumors a while back that there was a driveway here, and there was also a rumor that there was a patio here at one time. And something tells me that someone at one time or another just decided to come in with a bunch of dirt. What you don't know is, I'm going to show you. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the ground from that sidewalk goes over to about where the red spray paint is, and then it goes downhill and then over. Okay? So that would suggest that the possibility that they dumped a bunch of soil here on top of an actual driveway, and then if that's the case, then they probably had a bunch of soil there and thought, okay, well now that's higher than this, so they probably brought in a bunch of other sand and soil and whatnot, built this up, just kind of smoothed it out, and just kind of, because right, I don't know if you can see it, but right here, it actually, the sidewalk goes down and then over, and it kind of slopes downward, and you follow it all the way this way over to about that tree right there, and it's all kind of sloped down. I think that's what they did. They just wanted to cover up the driveway. When I dug in here a couple summers ago, back in 2020, I had all this turned over, and this was actually my garden. I had fruits and vegetables growing here. Well, needless to say, they everywhere I dug with my tiller, I could only get down to about 6 to 8 inches, and I kept hitting what I thought was rock. I bet that was actually pavement of some sort of brick, cement or something. Here, I've got a whole bunch of brick here, and I'm willing to bet this was all brick patio, kind of like a brick like this here, all the way out, and I bet it was also part of the driveway. I bet at one time they looked at it and said it'd probably be cheaper to just dirt this over, because brick, once you drive on it for a while, it'll start to get little ruts. I bet it got so bad that they just looked at it and said, dude, let's just get some dirt, dump on it, lay it out smooth, and literally be done with it, instead of digging up the brick. And then they probably had it up a few inches, and then they were like, well, let's bring in some more dirt just to smooth this out here to make it so it doesn't flow back in. And then from there, they decided, well, shit, we just covered up the stair and, the patio and all that, so we got to have a way to get out of the house, so they just dumped this in here and called it a day. I think that's what freaking happened. I don't think they were expecting that this would be so heavy that it would just compact that sand that they put down here as a base. And that sand just kind of kept eroding away and compacting down every time it would rain. And the fact that the rain always comes off here, just sheets right off onto the ground, and that's how come that wood patio that was here, wood deck or whatever, that's why it rotted out so bad. Because it was always getting rained on. All the water would come off of here, and just straight down. These gutters that you see there are always clogged up because these trees, these branches, just clogging them up all the time, forcing the water to just come on down here. Ouch. Huh. Yeah, I bet that's what happened. Son of a bitch. So that means no matter what, I'm not going to be able to dig down far enough to put in any supports to build the new deck. Shit. If this is the farthest I can go, is right here. Well, that's not even a foot. I would say that's about 10 inches. Shit. Not gonna lie, folks. That's kind of upsetting to find this out. Shit. Well, now what the frick do I do? Well, that would explain why that deck freaking failed. Damn. Yeah, see, that's so much sand. That's all brick. There's the bottom. Well, I think. Hang on. Might just paver brick is this? That is one big ass brick, dude. Says something on it. Buffalo. Huh. I wonder. See if I can't. See, they're just all chunks of this brick. It's kind of. Clean this up so I can get a better idea of what I'm dealing with here. Oh, jeez. See if I can scoop this better. Holy crap. Damn it. Okay, there's the root. Okay. Whew. I wonder if I should try a jack or not. Okay. I think what I want to do, hang on folks, I've got to get all the hot water out of it. Wow, that is really hot. Holy crap. Oh shit. I hope you're still with me. I know you just got fucking wet. Okay. Now, I suppose, just dig out. There was dirt in that one. Okay, well, let's see what we have here. Let me, you know what? Let's lay down this board. Yeah, make sure there's no nails in it. There is a nail right there. Shit. I don't want to get fucking stuck in the damn knee. Where's that little, there it is. That's the deal. Be easier on my damn knees. I'm just too old for this shit, folks. Okay. I don't think this will work, but oh shit. Yeah, it's just packing in the ground. Damn it. Holy crap, it was working. Oh, damn it. It's slowly going up, but it's also pushing downward. You see, we're getting separation, but it's also pushing it down. So let's see if we can't shit. Well, I think the only thing I can try now is see if I can't go a little bit deeper. Dig out some of this brick, and then oh jeez, oh. What the heck is going on out here? Okay. Shit. I think that's probably why all this brick was down there. They probably noticed that it was dropping down. They figured we'll dig down, lift it up a little bit, throw some shit under it. Yeah, that's probably why that's all there, maybe. I don't know. I mean, I just hear a bunch of rumors about the house. You know, it's an old house. Ah, shit. Okay. hear that? That car's all bashed in. Huh. I don't know. I keep hearing people screaming and shit, but okay. Folks, this is definitely going to be the last time. Either I get it raised up and then I can backfill it, or I don't, and then I just give up and just move on to the idea of just building a wood deck over it like it was originally, and then just call it a day. Okay. Of course, if I had a jackhammer, to be honest with you, I'd just bust it all up, fill it back in, and then from there do it correctly, and then just cement this whole area off. That's what I'd like to do. I've mentioned that in many other videos. Oh, there's a spider on the wall. Oh shit, totally shit, the whole damn corner's nothing but spiders. Well,